Looking for a fun game to play with your family, but you don't actually have any, well, games? There are all kinds of games you can play with just yourselves. In addition to classics like 20 Questions and Telephone, try games like Story Circle or alphabet categories that exercise your imagination. In Story Circle, everyone takes turns adding a word or a sentence until you've told an entire story. To play alphabet categories, choose a category, then take turns thinking of words that fit the category, in alphabetical order. Looking for something more physically active? Try an option like hide and seek or the ninja game. To play the ninja game, all the players stand in a circle and strike a ninja pose. Players go around the circle and either move or try to strike another player's hand to tag them out. The last person standing is the winner.